Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to connect an external SSD to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now this is very simple. That's because most SSDs have a Type-C connector, and all you have to do is plug it into the Type-C port of your tablet. Now there's not going to be any pop-up on the screen, but you can access the files and folders inside the SSD by going to the Files app. And in the Files app, you should see under Storage section, USB storage device. So you can tap on that, and these are the files and folders inside my external SSD. Okay, so that's how to see them. Now you can transfer files and folders from your tablet to the SSD and from the SSD to the tablet. It's just a simple copy and paste to and from. So you have your internal storage, which is the internal storage of the tablet, and you also have the USB storage, which is the SSD. Thanks for watching and good luck.